Hello everyone, in this video we will work on VPC pairing connection between two different accounts. So let's get started with the video. As you can see, there is two accounts, Anuradha, and I am in my Singapore region, and another account in which there is another ID and it is in Mumbai region. So this is all different, both of these in different accounts. So we are doing VPC pairing in two different accounts. So first of all, I am creating a VPC. So with the help of create VPC, you can create your VPC, and here I am giving a name to my VPC and then IPv4 CIDR. So this is my IP range. So next I'm creating a VPC with the help of create VPC. I'm clicking on create VPC and it's successfully created. Now next I am creating a subnet. With the help of create subnet, I came inside my subnet configuration. Here I selected my VPC and then subnet. I am giving a range 10.0.1.0/24. In availability zone, I'm selecting this. Oh sorry, here there is a subnet name. So here I am providing a name to my subnet, that is subnet 1. So here my IP range. Next create subnet. So it's created successfully. Now next there is a route table and I'm giving a name to my route table, that is route 1. Next I selected my VPC, that is VPC 1, and created. Next I'm creating a internet gateway with the help of create internet gateway. Then here internet gateway already created. There is a already created internet gateway, so I am attaching this to my existing VPC, that is VPC 1. So here I attached and I came inside my route table. Here I am associating my subnet. So just selecting this and save association. That's how you can save your association. Now next I'm editing my routes, add routes, and here I'm adding my internet gateway that I have created and just save changes. So I successfully added my route tables. Now next I'm going back to my route table. Here there is a route. So I came inside my another account and same process I am doing here also. I came inside my VPC and with the same process I am creating a VPC, that is VPC 2, and IP range is 20.0.0.0/16 and create VPC. Next I am creating a subnet, create subnet, and selecting my VPC 2, and here I am providing a range. So here I provided my IP address and also IP range and subnet name. So that's how you can give a name and IP range. Next create subnet. So next I'm creating a route table. So here I'm giving a name to my route table, that is route 2, and create route table. Next, internet gateway. So here I'm creating an internet gateway with the name EC2. So I am attaching this to my VPC, that is to VPC2. So after successfully attached, I am editing my route 2. First of all, subnet association and edit routes. Edit subnet association and selecting this subnet and save association. Then in route table, I am editing my routes. So add routes, internet gateway. So this is my internet gateway, that is EC2, and save changes. So here next I am creating a VPC peering. So this is pairing connection. Under pairing connection there is a name. Firstly you have to provide your name, that is pairing. I provide pairing and select my VPC1, and then there is an option of my account and another account. So I have to choose another account. So here from another account I am copying ID and pasting it here, and then there is another region. So I am providing another region of my another account, that is in Mumbai. So I am choosing a Mumbai region here, and then VPC ID. So I am going back to my another account, and in VPC I am opening this into another terminal and going back to my VPC and selecting VPC2, and in detail you have to copy your VPC ID and pasting it here, then create pairing connection. So that's how you can create a VPC pairing connection. This is as simple as this is really a very simple process, and you have to accept the request. So I came inside my another account, and under VPC pairing connection I am accepting the request. So that's how I successfully accepting the request, and then going back to my previous account, and in route table I am editing my routes. So in edit routes I am adding my routes, that is to my VPC route that is present in my another account, that is in Mumbai. So this is the IP range is 20.0.0/16. So I am providing this range, and this is my pairing connection. So I am choosing here and save changes. This process is making a connection between both of the accounts, and after successfully editing my routes, so in another account I am editing my routes. So here I am providing my Singapore IP VPC IP address, VPC range, that is 10.0.0/16. so that my VPC will connected with this IP. So this is done. Next we have to choose the save changes. So I am clicking on save changes. So it's successfully done. Now next I am creating a EC2 instance in both of my account. So firstly in Mumbai I am creating a EC2 instance. So the name of my instance is EC2 because this is my second account, that's why I am writing 2 and selecting my Ubuntu server and operating system, and then selecting free tier 20.04, and here I'm not creating any key pair, so I'm proceeding without a key pair. Next I'm adding my VPC to then subnet. Then I am enabling this auto assign public IP. Then in security group I am editing this security group from SSH to all traffic. And then launch instance. So my instance is launched successfully. So view all instance and you can see your newly created instance. So it's in pending state. So I'm going back to my another account, that is account first, and creating my EC2 instance 1. So I'm giving a name to my EC2 1, operating system 20.04. it should be free tier eligible. Now next choosing my key pair, existing key pair. So firstly I adding my VPC, that is VPC1, and then in security group I all traffic, and launch instance and view all instance, and you can see this is created successfully, and it's also in pending state. After a couple of minutes it will be in active state. So my previous account is instance is running, so I'm connecting this instance. So here I am connecting this instance. With the help of connect, and you can see you so now you are in Ubuntu server, Ubuntu machine. So with the help of sudo su you came inside your root and then ping 8.8.8. So I'm checking it's responding or not. So it's responding. Now control C and then ping to my first private IPv address. I'm copying here and pasting on my second EC2. So you can see it's responding. So our connection is built successfully and it's working fine. So I'm testing my first VPC and I'm connecting this EC2 1. With the same process I'm connecting. So I am in my Ubuntu machine. So firstly I am writing a command sudo su, and so with the help of sudo a.a.8 I am checking whether it is accessible to the internet or not. So this is a command to ping, and here you can see this is responding successfully. And now I pinging my second account IPv address here. So I'm going back to my second account and selecting my EC2 instance and copying this private IPv address. So from here I'm copying this address and pasting on my by the side of ping, and here you can see it's pinging successfully done, and it's and we build a connection between two different accounts successfully. And that's how you can also create a connection of VPC pairing between two different accounts. So hope you like this video, and thank you.